Imagine stepping onto a planet where the air alone could crush you, where the heat is hot enough to melt metal, and where the sky rains acid. This is Venus, the most dangerous planet in our solar system. But if a human actually stood on its surface, what would happen in the first 10 seconds? Venus is often called Earth's twin. It's almost the same size as our planet. But somewhere in its past, something went terribly wrong. Instead of oceans and life, Venus became a runaway greenhouse world where the surface temperature reaches about 465 degrees Celsius. That's hot enough to melt lead. The moment you arrive on Venus, the pressure would become your first enemy. The atmosphere here is 92 times thicker than Earth's. That's roughly the same pressure as being almost 900 meters underwater in Earth's oceans. Your body wouldn't explode, but the crushing atmosphere would squeeze your chest and lungs, making normal breathing impossible. But the pressure isn't even the worst part. Venus is the hottest planet in the solar system. With surface temperatures around 465 degrees Celsius, the ground itself radiates heat like an open furnace. Within seconds, your body would begin overheating. Internal organs would rapidly absorb heat, and survival would become impossible. Even if the heat didn't kill you, the air certainly would. Venus's atmosphere is about 96% carbon dioxide with almost no oxygen. The moment you tried to breathe, your lungs would fill with dense carbon dioxide gas. Oxygen starvation would begin almost immediately, and your body would start shutting down within seconds. High above the surface, Venus's thick clouds are filled with sulfuric acid droplets. These clouds form a global toxic layer that constantly circulates the planet. Acid rain does form in these clouds, but most of it evaporates before reaching the surface because of the extreme heat below. Despite its deadly environment, the surface of Venus is strangely familiar. Rocky plains stretch for thousands of kilometers, giant volcanoes rise through the haze. But this landscape is completely silent, because almost nothing could survive here. Even robotic explorers struggle to survive on Venus. The Soviet Venera spacecraft were some of the only probes to land successfully on the surface. But even those machines lasted only between 30 minutes and 2 hours before the extreme heat and pressure destroyed them. Venus may look beautiful from space, but its surface is one of the most hostile places in the solar system. Crushing pressure, furnace-like heat, and an atmosphere that humans simply cannot breathe. If you enjoyed exploring the most dangerous worlds in our solar system, subscribe to Silent Planet Files, leave a like, and tell us in the comments. Which planet should we explore next?